Today we are going to be installing the Dirtrix TC3 timing chain tensioner on a 2024 Norden 901 Expedition. Let's do it. Okay, let's look at what you're going to need to do this. The repair manual might help. You're going to need the timing chain tensioner from Dirtrix. This is the TC3. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver or some C-clip pliers to be able to remove the spider washer. You're going to need a 5mm hex with a torque wrench. This is going to be for the center bolt, and it's going to be 8 Newton meters of torque. Then you're going to need a 22mm socket, a little extension, and your torque wrench, because that's going to be 25 Newton meters when we put it all back together. Probably going to need some paper towels or something to catch any residual oil that's going to come out when we do this. All right, first thing I'm going to do is take out the center piece. Okay, that's loose now. That'll let us take that off. Now we're going to break the whole bolt loose. Alright, very easy. Alright. Alright, we got a little spring action there. Okay. Right, here is the bolt with the spider washer down inside. You can see that down inside there. We're going to remove that. We got a little oil here. Going to get this cleaned up. Now I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver and pry it in there, and it should just pop right out. Okay. Now with the spider washer out, we can set this aside here. Pull out. The original tensioner. There it is. I'm just reaching in there to get the O-ring out that got stuck in there, because we're going to need that for the next one. Let's get our Dirtrix one. There we go. Take this. We're going to put the O-ring back over it. Slide this back in here. There we go. We're going to remove the piece from the back here. So now we have the 5mm cap, or cap that uses a 5mm hex, off. We're going to take the main bolt, put it back in gently. Okay. Just going to finish threading it in by hand. Let's go ahead and torque this down first. So we want 25 Newton meters. Okay. 25. Let's get this on here. Okay. Now we can put the spring in. Well, this is a little tricky because you have to kind of push the spring in and turn to get the thread started at the same time, and you don't want to cross thread. So I'm just doing this very gently by feel. Yeah, it's a little tricky. So I'm going to take the gloves off and hopefully give me a little extra grip on this. Maybe even use the 5mm adapter. Okay. Ooh, it's a a little tricky, but it started now. Okay, and we will now get this torqued to 8 Newton meters. There we go. And we are finished. Move this first. There we go. Okay, let's do it. There you have it. It's that simple. 5-10 minutes tops, and now we have a timing chain tensioner that isn't going to fail and leave us stranded somewhere. I'll leave links to the tensioner down in the description. Thanks for watching. See ya.